see. Letter sounds and fun with me. Clap your hands and jump around. Learning letters is joy and sound. A is for apple, shiny and red. B is for ball we throw ahead. C is for cat that says meow meow. Sing with me, come on now. D is for drum, boom boom beat. E is for elephant, big strong feet. F is for fish, swimming blue. Learning letters, me and you. G is for goat that jumps so high. H is for hat that waves goodbye. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jelly, wiggle your feet. K is for kite up in the sky. L is for lion, hear it roar. M is for moon that shines at night. N is for nest, safe and warm. O is for orange, round and bright. P is for penguin, black and white. Q is for queen with crown so gold. R is for robot, strong and bold. S is for sun up in the sky. T is for train that passes by. U is umbrella in the rain. V is van, go, go again. W is for whale, big and blue. X is Zalaoo, music for you. Y is yo-yo, up and down. Z is zebra, stripes of brown. Sing them loud, sing them proud. A, B, C, great